If you have a lot of chat history in your WhatsApp, it could get cluttered over time. So, it would be a good idea to delete some of them. But that's when you might accidentally delete some important ones. So, is it possible to recover them without backup your device? The answer is yes. Here, I would like to show you how to recover them in 2 ways. Let's start with the first method. This method works if you have a backup. You can simply recover the deleted chats from the backup. Here's how to do it. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Make sure you don't retain any existing data. Then, head to the Play Store and reinstall it. Open it and verify your phone number. Tap Continue to allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and media. When prompted, make sure to tap Restore when you find the backup. Tap Next to continue. Look, all your deleted chats are back. But if you don't have a backup, it's very likely that you won't recover the conversation you're looking for. Then, the next method is great for you. Here's how you can recover them using ChatsBack My Phone. ChatsBack is one of the most outstanding online tools for recovering accidentally deleted WhatsApp messages. It recovers your lost WhatsApp messages, images, videos, contacts from Android in various situations, even from damaged devices. Most importantly, it is extremely safe and reliable. Download the software by clicking on the link in the description. Before you begin, make a backup of WhatsApp on your phone. Just follow me to do it. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. You will see the last backup update time, which means the backup has been completed. Now, I will show you how to recover your lost message by ChatsBack. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. Allow USB debugging on Android when these pop-ups appear. Then, click Start. ChatsBack will start scanning and retrieving the data from your device. These will be stored in history so that you can recover them someday, even if your device is completely reset. When the scan is finished, press Next to continue. To analyze the database, ChatsBack needs you to authorize it. Then, you need to enter the country code and phone number of the WhatsApp database you choose. It will send you an SMS message to verify your phone number. When the verification is complete, the program will analyze the database you choose to recover the data on your device. Now, all recoverable data will be displayed, so you can opt to recover them to your mobile. Soon, your data will be recovered. Sign into your WhatsApp account and you will see the recovered ones after entering a local backup. That's how you can recover WhatsApp messages with or without backup. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have more questions about WhatsApp, leave them in the comments. See you in another video.